Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark, and even though I may seem extremely happy today, I'm actually kind of sad. Today is a video that I never thought I would have to make, but it makes sense, and I want to start this whole video off 100%, and I want to get this implanted in your mind right from the very beginning that I personally believe that the other people did nothing wrong and that it is on me, and I'm not blaming anybody for my mistakes. I want to put that out there and make it very clear before we get into the video. But pretty much, I'm going to be rambling this off the top of my head. I have no like script or anything. I got no like words that I thought up before this. I'm just going to be rambling off the top of my head, and I'm not really good at that, so just stick with me here. But pretty much what happened is daily uploads are going away, top 10s are going away, and the good, the bad, and the uglies are going away. So you might think, well, Mark, what in the world is your whole YouTube channel going to be then? And it's still going to be about cars, but it's going to be more about my actual life now. Vlogs and my 350Z and going to different events, hanging out with my friends. I will do top 10s on my 350Z or on the 350Z in general. I can let you guys know about the 350Z. I can do car reviews. I like doing those. The subscriber car reviews are pretty fun. I can review like crash videos and stuff like that, but I just can't use videos that other people made on YouTube. Reason being is recently I have gotten 2 copyright strikes, and over 60 of my videos have been fully demonetized and copyright claimed, which, in case you don't know, a copyright claim doesn't actually affect your YouTube channel at all, except you can't make money off that video anymore. The money now instead goes to whoever the copyright holder is. There was a big YouTuber in the automotive world who I have nothing but respect for. He's one of the best automotive videographers out there. He's an amazing guy. I actually DM'd him about this whole situation, and he handled it very maturely and professionally, and I love the guy. I have nothing against him, and I'm not going to say his name because I know how, even though I just told you guys that he did nothing wrong, I know how the internet is, where you guys are going to go over there and be like, hey man, and I don't want that to happen. He's a good guy, and he has every right to do what he did. And what he did was he recently contacted a company so that he could get copyright claims on all videos that use his content. And so every video that's ever used his content is now copyright claimed, and now the money is going to him instead of to us because we used his stuff, and it makes sense. And when I actually texted him about this scenario, he was like, oh dude, that's more meant for the people that are like, you know, taking my videos and not crediting me at all. I didn't realize that you were only doing like 30 seconds of my video and you were talking over it. And so he actually monetized my videos again. He emailed his company and told them to monetize my videos again and give it back to me. So I have nothing but respect for that guy. Really big thank you to him for even being somebody to do that for me. It means the world to me, man. You never had to do that. You could have just taken your money and ran, and you didn't, and you gave it back. So I really appreciate that, man. You're a good guy. But I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna name him. You guys don't need to know. It's not that big a deal. But yeah, he copyright claimed over 60 of my videos, and 2 of the videos got copyright striked, but not from him. The 2 videos are copyright striked. One of them was the Pontiac GTO Good, Bad, and Ugly, and the other one was the BMW E9X Good, Bad, and Ugly. So the E90, E91, that video also got copyright striked. So I now have 2 copyright strikes, and in case you don't know, you can only get 3 copyright strikes before your channel is completely terminated. And so I would say, like, okay, well, I can just play it safe for the next 2 months. But you can't, because this BMW video just recently, last week, got copyright striked. And I made that video not over a year ago, over a couple months ago, though. I made that video quite a bit ago, and it just now got copyright strike. So you never know when somebody's going to turn on that strike. And it's really worrisome, because I have 1 strike left in 2 months. And if something happens, this whole channel is bye. Everything that we've worked for, everything that we've grown over this past year is just going to be for nothing. And that terrifies me. I don't want to deal with that. And so that's why I'm done using other people's content in the background. I'm not going to be making top 10s anymore. I'm not going to be making good, bad, and uglies anymore, because I don't want to lose this. We did something amazing. It took me a year to build this up, and I've been working really hard. And I've missed out on a lot of fun opportunities to make YouTube videos for you guys instead. And not saying like that's a bad thing. I'm just saying that I don't want to lose all that work and just have that be for nothing. And so I can't do them anymore. And this is a part that you guys are probably going to really hate me for, but I'm letting you guys know now, a week in advance. All my top 10 videos and my good, bad, and ugly videos are going to be deleted from the channel. I'm sorry. I don't want to do it at all. Trust me. There's every bone in my body hates that I have to do this right now, but I need to. Recently, it's been a wake-up call with the copyright claims and now the copyright strikes, and it's a sign to tell me to get rid of these before you're really big. Like, imagine 2 years from now, I have 100,000 subscribers and these videos get copyright striked. And out of nowhere, my channel's gone just like that because of a video that I did where I used their content in the background. You never know, and I don't want to have that risk. I have over 200 videos of other people's content in the background. I want to make it clear too that it's never cool to just completely steal somebody's video, but every time I made a video, I would usually use it for 30 seconds and then I would talk over the whole thing. I would give the guy credit. I want to make that very clear. If you're going to use somebody else's content, give the man credit and at least contribute something to it. Don't just take his video. It's just so disrespectful. But anyway, it's worrisome. I don't want to have to, like I said, imagine 2 years from now, I'm living off of YouTube and it's my job. And then out of nowhere, it just, boom, I get copyright striked because of 2 videos that I made back in 2021. You know what I mean? I don't want to do that. I don't want to have that burden and have to be stressing about that all the time. And so I'm going to delete them from the channel. I don't want to risk it. I know it's terrifying, but I'm going to give you guys a week. So any video that you guys didn't watch or any video that you guys want to like save or download or something like that, any video that you really liked, download it now. Within a week on Friday, most of them are going to be deleted. I have to do it. Like I said, I have to do it. I can't let that happen. You know what I mean? It's terrifying. But I know it sucks. I know a lot of you guys are literally going to be like, your channel's about to die, man. And I'm honestly worried that it is too. I'm worried that it's about to go away too. But it's better than completely just dying outright and not even trying. And so, am I terrified for what's about to happen? Yeah. I mean, everybody's here because they like my top 10s. Everybody's here because they like my good, bad, and uglies. And all those are going to be gone now. Everybody's here because they like my daily uploads. And that's going to be gone now. Everything that you guys enjoyed sadly has to go. And I mean, I hate it. I don't know what else to say. I'm mad. I'm upset. But I fully understand the reason why. It's people work really hard to make those videos. And then for somebody to just come in and take their video and use it in the background and just talk over it and use it as just throw it in there, even though, yes, you give them credit, you can see why somebody would be upset about that. So I totally understand why they're upset and why they're taking their money from it because they deserve that money. In my opinion, personally, I think they deserve a percentage of the money because they only use their video for like 30 seconds of a 10-minute video. But still, I don't make the rules. I have to follow them. But yeah, that's how it is. I mean, I can't be mad about that. I'm just mad about the fact that I have to delete these videos. And I'm terribly sorry. I don't know what else to say. But for the future, in case you actually still care, pretty much the way the channel is going to go is I'm going to try and upload at least 3 times a week. I will be making pretty much primarily 350Z content on the car. I'll be making vlogs about the car. Really quick, if you guys want to see the 350Z build or you want to see this channel prosper and make a bunch more builds and do a bunch of cool, fun stuff and more daily uploads and stuff like that, please go check out my other channel, Car Fails and Wins. The link is going to be in the top of the description. Because that channel I'm going to be uploading daily on still. And if that channel gets monetized, then I can use the money from that channel to pay for this channel and make more content on this channel. Just putting it out there. If you guys want to, go over there, support that channel. It would mean the world to me. But anyway, yeah, the plans for this channel are 3 days a week. Hopefully, I'm going to try my best to get 3 videos a week out. I have like a whole notes list of video ideas I can make on the 350Z, talking about the car, talking about other things in the car community. And I'll try and find some background footage of my car and my footage that I can use. So even though, yes, the quality of the videos are gonna, honestly, the quality of the videos are probably gonna be better, but the amount of videos that you guys are going to get is going to be a lot less, and the videos that you guys actually signed up for are going to be a lot less. And I'm sorry. I know you guys want the top 10s. I know you guys like the good, bad, and uglies, but I hope you guys can support me through my 350Z adventures. I'm going to be trying to hang out with friends so much more because now, honestly, it might be a blessing in disguise because now I have more time. You know, I don't have to upload every day after work. I can, instead of going home after work and making a YouTube video, I can instead go and hang out with my friends and make a YouTube video hanging out with them. Or I can go and drive my 350Z and make a YouTube video on that. Oh, and maybe those you guys will like better. And who knows? This could be a blessing in disguise. It could be the spawn of my channel. It could be the reason, you know, this could be a sign from God saying, stop making these style videos, get out there with your 350Z more, do stuff like that. and that's what we're going to do. When summer comes around, I'm going to be hustling, trying to make 350Z content. I'm going to be drifting the car, going to be hanging out with my friends, going to events, driving the car, doing POV drives and drifts and all that kind of stuff. But for the next like 2 months before summer hits, as spring and summer hits, it's probably going to be like slower on the slow side. I still have a lot of ideas to do, but it's not, it's not going to be like super huge and awesome ideas. But we're going to try. We are going to try. Please stick with me, guys. We can do this. We can battle this. We can overcome this, and we can come out better. Okay, so please don't give up on me just yet. I hope you guys can understand the vision that I have with the channel. Like I said, the channel is not dying. The channel's not going anywhere. It's still going to be here. We're just not doing the same stuff that we used to do anymore. And I want you guys to understand that this is not like I am just as sad. I'm more sad than you are. Okay. I am more sad than you are. I am terrified right now that this is going to be the end of my channel and it's all just going to go away just like that. And you guys are all going to hate the next upcoming videos. I loved making top 10s. I loved making good, bad, and uglies, and I can't do it anymore. And I was so mad. I barely slept last night. I was so mad, but it's for the better. I don't want this. Imagine if this channel was just gone in general. Like, at least I'll be giving you guys something rather than just nothing. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to tell you guys about today. I know it's a terrible topic, and you guys probably did not want to get this on Friday, but it's the sad, sad truth, man. So I'm sorry. I'm terribly sorry. I wish there was a way around it. I tried everything. I tried contacting the companies that copyright striked me. They didn't care, but even if they did care, it would still be something that I would have to address eventually, because it could always happen. You know, if this guy, who I'm not going to name, like I said, did copyright strikes instead of copyright claims, my channel would have been gone, because he had 60 of my videos where I used one of his clips in it got copyright claimed. And so if those were all copyright strikes, the channel would have been gone in a day. So it could always happen at any time, and that terrifies me. I don't want to work for something so hard just for it to all be taken away in a day. And so that's why we're going to be stopping. I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys are excited for the new chapter of the Mark Roden channel. We're not stopping anytime soon. Like I said, it's only going to be better. And if you want to support that other channel, link is going to be in the top of the description. If that channel blows up, then hopefully I can afford to build the 350Z and maybe even more builds. That would be sick. But anyway, guys, thank you so much. Das Vidania. Have a nice night.